So there are human plants here. They planted coffee. This plant, those plants. There are plants here. These plants. They planted this for if those plants will where should I go? That way or this way? Then those plants will have when those plants will grow and have what do you call that? Don't know the English words. It has a fruit, then its fruit is being processed to make a coffee. Yeah, that plant. Actually, there are many human interference here already. There are human trails, but I can decide what to follow. I can decide what human trail should I follow. What direction? So I just noticed I ended up in the rice fields. Yeah, I ended up in the rice fields here. But I think I'll not go that way. I'll go this way. Because now I know now the direction going to the human trail, main human trail. I have now a basis because I know now that down there, I know that area. It's already familiar to me, so I know now where the main human trail is. This way. A dead kind of tree, but I don't know its name. Wow, this is the work of wild pig. This is just a while ago. Actually, when I go up there, just go up, then I'll go to the resting place that I'm looking for. But I'll also pass by the main trail, another main trail, that going down there, a main trail, going to the main human trail. uh, when I describe it with the like a road, then the when we go down there, we'll see a highway going down there. And when we go down there, that I'm now heading, that's the NLEX or main highway. I think I'll just walk by on plain area because I'm aware of snake here. Because up there is where I always see big snake. The main road, the main human trail. That is where I always see the snake. I think that's the snake that my uncle, late uncle, was describing when he was still. So now, as I've just said, we are now on the crossroad of the main trail going there. So this is a human trail, or on the road it is a highway. Then when we go there, the intersection part, then that's the main highway or NLEX, something like that. So we are now on the trail, human trail. After 1 hour and 20 minutes, I think. After 1 hour and 20 minutes, finally I'm now on the trail, the human trail. Because this trail is where we came here many times with my father, and sometimes with my siblings, and sometimes only me came here alone. That's why that's the main advantage of knowing the trail. You know the trail, then you get lost. Then at least when there's at least a sign that you're familiar with, then you now know, you have now an idea of where you are, where should your direction be, something like that. Because a while ago I don't know my direction, I don't know where I'm going. I just know that by continuously going down, then I'll go to the rice fields, and that's true enough. But I tried to avoid that. That's why I'm lost. Because when I straightly go down, it means going to the rice fields. Then I tried to go this way, the straight way, so that at least I'll have a chance on finding this trail. And yet, we still have a hard time looking for this trail. Up until when I've noticed that when we go down there, we are now already, I think, 100 meters down to the rice field. That's why I decided to come up again. Then, true enough, we find the trail. And you know this part, this is where we get the small, what do I call that? Small, what's the English name of that? Small crabs. Small crab family. The smallest crab family. So they are fresh. What we do there is we just remove the stones into the water. Then we will get them, because those crabs are hiding in the beneath the stones which are in the water. Actually, I tried to create a trap there for wild chickens, and there's none. I think that is last year. Yeah, that's last year. I think before I went to Manila. I've created many traps there because there is where the mother of this dog, the color black dog, that is accompanying me right now. That's their mother. So I'm just I let that mother dog accompany me, and every time I came here, she will interrupt the what do you call that, wild chickens there. So this is a trap also, but they did not set the trap. So this is now the main trail, human trail. This is where I make videos when I go hiking. On some of my videos, this is where I make videos. When I go that way, then go down there. This is the main highway or NLEX that I'm talking about. This is the main human trail. Going this way. Although we can, when on the part that I just went up down there, when when I realized that I'm near the rice fields. Actually, when I follow that trail, there's a trail going up here again, and that's the trail there. Coming here, but it's better to wander in that mossy forest. This is that I'm talking about a while ago. That's the mother dog. And these are the siblings. So it's already 16 minutes. I'll try to fasten the video